In this session, you are going to learn the difference and similarity between because and because of. Without waiting, let's begin. If you can answer this question and understand why it is the answer, you don't need to watch this video. More and more trees are dying, blank, people pour chemicals to the environment. A. Because. B. Because of. Well, the best answer for this is option A. Because. Because and because of are confused by learners. They both talk about causes and effects. Let's see the differences and similarities. 1. The similarity. We use because and because of to express the reason behind an action or event. See these examples. We have fewer trees because people cut them to build new houses. More teenagers are becoming obese because of their bad eating habits. Simply, because and because of answer the question of why. We have fewer trees because people cut them to build new houses. Why do we have fewer trees? Because people cut them to build new houses. More teenagers are becoming obese because of their bad eating habits. Why are teenagers becoming obese? Because of their bad eating habits. Alright, now let's see the difference. Two. The difference. If you need to modify a clause, then you use because. But if you need to modify a noun phrase, then you use because of. I'm certain that you have question in mind. What are clause and noun phrase? Here you are. A clause is a group of words that includes a subject and a verb. While a noun phrase is a group of two or more words that has no subject and verb. So, to make it simple, just bear in mind, a clause has subject and verb, while a phrase or noun phrase has no subject and verb. Let's see and analyze the previous sentence. More and more trees are dying, blank, people pour chemicals to the environment. In this sentence, after the blank, people is the subject and pour is the verb. It concludes that this is a clause. That's why we use because. Let's have another example. Some people become very angry. Blank. The traffic jam in the city center. Because, or because of. As you see, the words after the blank. The traffic jam in the city center. In this group of words, there is no subject and verb. So, it is a noun phrase. As a conclusion, we have to use because of. Some people become very angry because of the traffic jam in the city center. Have you understood the usage? Try to answer this one. We have fewer trees in this city, blank, deforestation and fire. A. Because. B. Because of. Leave your answer in the comment section. And catch up with you later.